Hi everybody, this is David Shah, your IELTS trainer. Today I'm going to talk about some important tips about the listening module of the IELTS exam. So, while attempting the IELTS listening module, it is very important to know and to take care of some tips. So, here's the first one. If we look at the tip number one, it is about reading ahead. Now, reading ahead is very important because if in case you will read a little ahead of what you are coming across, then you will be able to pay more attention to the words that you may come across, and you'll be more aware and alert about what are the words that you need to take care of. So, reading ahead is very important. And for example, once you will be completing part 1 and there will be a bit of a gap before the part 2 will begin. So say for example, the instructions are like this, that you will be given 30 seconds before the next part begins. So when you are given that time, say 30 seconds or whatever amount of time you're given, in that duration you must have a look, you must have a glance at whatever is going to be in the next part. So this is the reason that one should not look backwards, one should not look back. So if you have already attempted part 1, then it doesn't make any sense to look at the answers or the questions that you have attempted in part 1. Rather, looking after the sections, looking after the questions of part 2 will be more impactful. So this is tip 1. Now, the second tip is to highlight. So please make sure that no matter whether you are attempting a paper-based test or a computer-based test, please make sure that you highlight whatever keywords you feel like highlighting at any given point. So, say for example, you are giving a paper-based test and you want to highlight some keywords, then you can surely underline them, or you can even circle them, or you can even star some of them whenever you need. So, highlighting keeps us in track with whenever we come across those particular words, we can just select and we can just get the right answer as well. And if in case you are giving a computer delivered test, even then there is a highlighter you can use, and that will be of very much help. Third important tip is, please don't leave anything empty. Do not ever leave any answer empty in the entire listening module, because there is no negative marking. So leaving empty is not going to make any difference. But if you will surely try to guess and write something in the answer, maybe if there is a blank, and if you can make a guess and type something as per the instructions, or if in case there is a multiple choice and you're not sure whether to go for option number A or option number D, but if you can select any one of them instead of leaving it empty, then you never know when the guess might work. So please do not leave anything empty in your entire listening module. And the fourth tip is to concentrate. Concentrating throughout your listening module is very important, because at times you might be a little distracted because of some or the other thing going around in your test center, and at times you might also feel distracted because of some question that was there in maybe part 1 or part 2, which you have already finished. And let's assume you're on part 3, and it would not make any difference if you will, be distracted. So rather, stay focused on the present question that you are attempting. Stay focused upon what you are coming across at that very moment in that particular part, because it is very important, to concentrate on the each and every question, because you cannot pause, you cannot replay any of the single audio file. So please make sure that you stay focused and do not get distracted. Okay? And please try to follow all these 4 tips all together while you are in your test center attempting your listening module. I hope these tips be of your help when you go for your examination.